viewers, welcome to Next Consult. Today I'll be taking you through how you can connect multiple cameras to your vMix to make things very simple, right? But before you start, make sure the phone cameras are all on one network. Okay, so now the cameras that I'll be using, they are all connected to one network. Then secondly, you should make sure you download this application. It is called Iriun Webcam. So this is it, Iriun Webcam. You have to download the PC version. Okay, you can just visit irium.com, the PC version. Then you have to download the Android version. It's very simple for you to download from Android. All right, so I've installed it on my PC. Here's the icon. Okay, it's very simple to install. Once you are done with the installation, just open it. You will see a small output like this. Okay, so once you are done, make sure the phones are connected to the same network. Then the first phone will open. The first phone that you've installed the Iriun webcam on will open his camera and the Iriun setup. So let's do an illustration for you to see. So now the first camera, I have a Samsung phone. So I'll open the camera, then you will see how it looks like. Let's wait whilst it connects. Don't forget that both phones has to be on the same network. Okay, all right. So now I've connected the two phones. The second phone, the second camera is from a Samsung SM. Then the first camera is from an LG phone. Okay, you can connect your third and fourth camera. Let's take note of this. Whilst you are installing the Iriun webcam, it will give you an option of the number of cameras that you want to add. Choose the maximum camera, that's 4, and proceed with the installation. So I chose 4, that's why I have these 4 cameras here. Okay, but for the sake of these tutorials, I'm using just 2 cameras for the meantime. So camera 1, then camera 2. You can try the third and fourth camera based on the number of phones that you have available. Okay, so now that we have our cameras ready, let's proceed to adding them to the vMix. So I have my vMix Pro 24.0.072. That's right, this is the premium version and everything is unlocked. Okay, so we proceed to add inputs. You know, in vMix, whatever thing that you have to add, you first go to add inputs, then you go to camera. All right, camera. So I'll click on this. Since we've been using Iriun webcam, I'll proceed with the first one. Okay, for the audio, I don't want to use the camera audio. I want everything to be none. Okay, so I'll click on OK. All right, so now you see our first camera in there, very nice one. All right, let's go on with our second camera. Add input again. Then you proceed to camera. So now we are done with the first camera, so you will choose Iriun webcam number 2. Okay, the microphone will be off. Okay, so I'll click on OK. So that's it, you have a nice looking guy over there. All right, okay. So you can switch in between any of the cameras that you need. I want our viewers to give us just a hi for them to see that they are active. So Collins, can you turn your camera? You can turn it for us to get okay, so they are working. All the cameras are working very actively, as you can see. So it's very simple for you to do. Just try it And if you're having any challenge with it, don't forget to hit me on the comment section or pick my number, and I'll be glad to assist you. Bye bye.